So here I am in the middle of the full moon night. With werewolves and stuff all around. Getting some parsley for my frittata that I'm going to make. There's werewolves probably around the corner here somewhere. But I haven't taken any of my zucchini. Let's see if we can get that parsley. I don't know. Yeah, there it is. And get some of this parsley here. There we go. It's trick photography. I cut it before I showed you this. Oh man. Look at this. You can see all the moisture. Actually, small droplets of rain coming down. Hey, look at that. Isn't that crazy? Check that out. Hey, you can see them right here. Oh, yeah. All right. We're back inside before the werewolves come out. Okay. Here are the 2 a.m. werewolf vampire ingredients for a frittata. I had to get the stuff out of the garden at 2 a.m. under a full moon. You're gonna need some flour, you need some Parmesan cheese. I mean real Parmesan cheese from Parma, not that crapola that says Parmesan and you buy it at A&P or whatever it's called now. And then you got your zucchini, and you got zucchini flowers, fresh parsley, fresh garlic, fresh onions, and free-range chicken eggs. Yep. Hope you wash your eggs. You know where they come from. If you don't wash your eggs and you ever invite me to eat any of this stuff, forget it. Alright. We'll see what happens later with the frittata. Frittata? What is frittata? Well, here is the frittata. This is the day after. I ate a lot of it last night. It was pretty good. It doesn't look so good here in the fridge like this, but believe me, it was good. And here's a piece I'm going to bring Nonna. There you go. It's a better looking piece. And this is your werewolf vampire frittata. It's a frittata, not frittata. What's this frittata? Anyways, here it is. That's it. That's all. Oh yeah, look. If you want some cold water, you got your Berkey in the fridge.